Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Experian affiliate links and lead attribution checks, detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify Experian affiliate links and lead attribution checks, start by logging into your Experian affiliate account. Navigate to the dashboard where you can find performance metrics. Locate the section for affiliate links within your account. Choose the specific link that you wish to verify. Copy the affiliate link provided for your campaigns. Open a new browser tab and paste the copied link. Before hitting enter, ensure that you are logged out of any existing accounts related to the affiliate program. Hit enter to load the link and check if it redirects to the expected destination. Once redirected, examine the URL in the browser's address bar for any tracking parameters. These parameters often begin with a question mark followed by key value pairs. Check that your unique affiliate ID is present in the parameters. If the ID is visible, this indicates that the link is correctly set up for tracking. Next, confirm that the landing page reflects the right promotions or offers associated with your campaign. To perform lead attribution checks, start by accessing your campaign reports on the Experian platform. Look for a section labeled Attribution or Metrics in the reports. Select the relevant time frame for the data you want to analyze. Analyze the report to identify leads generated from the specific period. Cross-reference individual leads with the corresponding affiliate links that were shared. Take note of any discrepancies between reported leads and your affiliate link performance. If inconsistencies arise, consider consulting Experian support or resources for clarification. Document your findings for future reference and evaluation. Repeat this process periodically to ensure consistent tracking of your affiliate links and lead attribution. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.